Hi everyone, Christmas time is upon us, and if you want to make some treats with the kids or grandkids, have I got the recipe for you. Today I'll be making Christmas mice candy. So what all goes into the Christmas mice candy? 15 Hershey Kisses, 15 red hot candies, 15 maraschino cherries with the stems, half cup chocolate chips, 30 peanut halves, small tube of black icing. So I thought I would use a couple of these candy eyeballs. So let's begin. Take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and set aside. Take your cherries, and they have the stems, and put them on a paper towel lined plate and pat them dry. And set that aside. So take a double boiler or a microwave-proof bowl. I'm not doing mine in the microwave because I've got my GoPro camera in the way. So I'm just doing makeshift double boiler, which is a pan with a little bit of water in it and a glass bowl on the top. Put the heat to medium low, somewhere around there. Take my 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, dump into the bowl, and melt that. And we're doing this so it's not over direct heat, and then that way it will not burn. Keep an eye on it and keep stirring it until it's fully melted. All right, so the chocolate chips are melted. You take a cherry and just coat it in the chocolate and then lay it on its side on the parchment. And I'm going to make each mouse right away before the chocolate hardens. Then take a Hershey's Kiss and stick it on the end of the cherry like that. Then take 2 peanut halves and stick it between the chocolate and the Hershey's Kiss for his ears like that. Then take a red hot and take a little bit of the melted chocolate and spread that on the back like that and stick that on the edge of his nose. Take your black icing and make 2 little eyes, and I screwed that up. He's got a funny looking eye there. I'll see if I can clean that up. Oh, he lost one of his ears. There we go. All right, I will continue making these and I'll show you when I'm done. I just had to show you the one with the candy eyes on it. They're almost too big, but I just thought that was cute. If I can get a little bit better with the dots for eyes, I'm just going to stick with the dotted eyes. All right, so I have all 15 of my Christmas mice done. Had somebody ask me, well, do they have little Santa hats? Why are they called Christmas mice? It's because they have a red nose, just like Rudolph. I made a second one with eyeballs. I think they're adorable. I'm glad I don't make this for a living because me and the icing didn't get along very well. This guy here I really screwed up, so I made him have sunglasses. Anyway, it's done. I think you and your kids or grandkids would have a lot of fun making these. You can leave them sit there and let them harden, or you can stick them in the refrigerator for a quicker setup. When Dave gets home tonight, I'll let him do a taste test and he can eat a Christmas mouse. Oh, I can see a little cherry butt. So here are the Christmas mice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Oh, these are just cute. Is that a red hot?
It is a red hot, and it's a chocolate-covered maraschino cherry and a Hershey's Kiss and peanuts.
Well, that's just cute.
Is that the peanut?
It's the red hot.
Oh.
That's pretty good. I like it. I really like the looks of them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.